Internet 101 / internet and food ordering. Oh, hold on. Can we do that again? Okay. Internet 101 / entertainment and food ordering by the mentors. Goals. Be able to identify the internet icon on your desktop, know the difference between a URL and using a search bar, be able to go back to previously viewed pages, be able to return to the home page, and be able to add a website to their favorites list. Accessing the internet. The internet icon is a software program that allows you to explore the World Wide Web / the internet. What is a URL? A domain is a part of a URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator. You can see the visual difference in the following example. Typing a URL address. Find this address bar. This is usually a long white bar at the top of the browser window. You will type the web address into the bar with the correct form, then hit enter in order to visit the website. How is a URL unique? A URL is nothing more than an address with a given unique resource on the web. Each valid URL point is unique to the resource. Google search bar. A Google search bar is used to search for information. You can search up anything and it will lead to various different websites. You can exit the website by pressing the upper arrow to return, or you can just exit out the page and open a new one. It will lead you to the search bar. Favorites list. To make it easier to return to a website, you can add that website to your bookmarks or favorites. Steps to do this is: number 1, go to the website you want to save. Number 2, go to the 3 dots on the upper right of Google next to the URL address. Next, to where it says bookmarks, you'll see an arrow. Click on it and another tab will appear. Click on the bookmark this page to add to your favorites. Pull down menu. Your menu is where you can find various resources such as maps, browser, email, translation, and etc. It's located on the upper right corner. Toolbar icons. Below you can see different toolbar icons. Number 1 is return / back button. Number 2 is refresh / reload button. Number 3 is add another tab / page. Number 4 is the URL address. Number 5 is the minimize or exit button. And number 6 is the menu drop. Internet safety. Number 1, keep personal information professional and limited. Number 2, keep your privacy settings on. Number 3, practice safe browsing by using websites that begin with HTTPS. Then make sure that your internet connection is secure. Use a secure VPN connection. Number 5, be careful what you download to prevent viruses on your device. Number 6, choose a strong password. Number 7, make sure online purchases from secure sites. Number 8, be careful what you post online. Number 9, be careful who you meet online. And number 10, keep your antivirus program up to date. YouTube. Goals: to be able to go onto the YouTube website and to be able to browse YouTube for videos. What is YouTube? YouTube is a video sharing service where users can watch, like, share, comment, and upload their own videos. This video service can be accessed on PCs, laptops, tablets, and via mobile phones. YouTube safety tips: choose a strong password, be careful what you post online, and be careful who you meet online. Keep your antivirus program up to date. Make sure your internet connection is secure and use a secure VPN connection, and switch your settings on YouTube to restricted mode. go onto YouTube's website/browsing. To get onto YouTube, you can click the internet icon. You could search up youtube.com in the search bar.
How to use the YouTube search bar. Once you see youtube.com in the address bar, you can then press the tab button on your keyboard to activate the search. The URL in the address bar will then convert to a search engine saying, "Search YouTube video will search," which is when you type in your query and hit enter. Keyboard prediction uses text that you enter over time to build a custom, local dictionary of words and phrases that you've typed repeatedly. It then scores those words by the probability you'll use or need it again. How to choose, play, and stop a video. Hover over the chosen video with your mouse. Once done, click and press on the video for it to begin. When wanting your video to stop, press on the video with the mouse or hit the space key located on the bottom half of the keyboard to stop the video completely. How to go back to a different video. To go back onto another video, click the arrow at the top right of the screen. It will then take you back to the YouTube homepage so you can select another video. YouTube safety. Keep your identity a secret by not posting personal information like your phone number or address. Never give out your email password, which is linked to your YouTube account. Avoid conversations with unknown people under anyone's comment section. Avoid liking videos that look sketchy or are in a different language you don't understand. Turn on safety mode at all times. Pinterest. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is designed to look like a pin board filled with different images, GIFs, and videos meant to give you inspiration, tutorials, recipes, or goods to buy. A GIF is just an animated image. How to join. You can start by downloading the Pinterest app or going to pinterest.com. When signing up, you'll be asked to sign up with any email address, or it'll give you the option to link your Facebook or Google account. If you decide to link your Facebook or Google account, it'll be easier to connect with your colleagues, friends, or families who also have Pinterest. You'll also be asked for an email confirmation to verify your account. Pinterest suggestions. Your board is where you'll find all the images or videos, but Pinterest makes sure to ask you some questions or suggest categories before to get an idea of your style and what to fill your board with. You can follow different brands or blogs that you like to get similar images on your board. What you look up will also influence your board. How to create a board. To create your board, you can click on the board and you'll find it on the upper hand drop-down menu. Then click Create Board. When creating your board, you will get to choose privacy settings, like whether you'd want them. Shopping for food delivery. Many restaurants offer delivery of already prepared food. It used to be that only pizza and sub restaurants offered delivery, but now new companies offer to bring food to customers. These companies like Uber Eats, Grubhub, Slice, or DoorDash pay a driver to go to a restaurant, pick up your food, and bring it to your house. The delivery service is separate from the restaurant, and the driver is not a restaurant employee. Orders can be placed on a computer or laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Some companies will have apps that allow you to order food. Shopping for food delivery. Note, be prepared. You will probably pay more for food delivery from outside companies, Uber Eats, Grubhub, etc., than if you picked up takeout in person. Some restaurants still have their own delivery drivers. It may cost less to use them if it's available. Delivery services may charge more for food as well. In many cases, the delivery service will charge delivery fees, offer to take tips, and service fees. Many times, delivery services offer a discount on your first order. To place an order, choose the delivery service, Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Go to the website or download the app. You can order via the website or install the services app on your iPhone or Android phone. Search for restaurants that are near your location by typing your address into the search box. You can also create an account. You will need an account to place an order. You can search restaurants by name or type of food you want to eat. From this page, you can pick a restaurant, then look at the menu to choose what you want to eat. In this example, we chose Chick-fil-A. From this page, we can click on a menu item and select it to add it to our cart. Placing an order. After choosing a delivery service app, finding a restaurant, and placing your order, you can select a tip online for the driver. You can also give instructions like leaving the food at your door to the driver. It's a simple process, and you can use the same app to order food again in the future. Prevent fraud ordering food. Make sure the website is secure. Make sure you're ordering from the right location. Search for the email address. Verify the billing and shipping addresses match.
Ordering food online safely. Some restaurants offer contactless deliveries. The driver will leave your food at your door to let you know that it's here. It is usually a good idea to wash your hands right after you touch the container that was delivered and before you eat. Be sure to pay attention to extra fees associated with delivery service. Online shopping meal kits. Online shopping meal kits. Online shopping meal kits is a simple and effective way to receive ingredients. A common app people use for this is HelloFresh. They give you multiple choices of what dish you can make. According to that dish, they give you ingredients and ship them to you. Thank you for your time, and we're excited to see what the next brings.